1. Be concentrated for the quiz in the end of the video. 1. Want chicken. 2. 1, 2. 2 potato boxes. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 strawberries. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fishes. Let's move to the quiz time. Can you count these? Let's begin with the easy level. 2. 2 pigs. 1, 2. 2 pigs. Can you count these? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomatoes. 4 tomatoes. Can you count these baskets? 3 biscuits. 1, 2, 3. 3 biscuits. Let's move to the medium level. Can you count these cows? 5. 5 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cows. 6. 6 octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 octopus. Let's move to the hard level. Can you count these bananas? Awesome, it's 9 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas. What about these flowers? 10. 10 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 flowers. 10 flowers. How many answers did you get right? Answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more knowledge.